This week, Dr. Charles Vilfort will be talking about mastication. What is mastication? Mastication from Latin is masticare, masticavi, masticatum. Mastication is the breaking down of food in small pieces before swallowing. When we are eating, it's a good idea to take time to masticate properly. Why? It's because proper mastication can not only improve oral hygiene but also decrease the possibilities for teeth decay. Do you know people who masticate or chew properly can also decrease the possibilities for sensation of bloating or sensation of gas? By masticating properly, people can also decrease the possibility for food poisoning. Do you know why? It's because lysozyme, who is one of the enzymes in the saliva, will fight against bacteria and virus. Do you know you can reduce stress by eating? And when you do so by masticating properly, you can decrease the possibility for your digestive system or your digestive organ to have discomfort and disorders. Also, masticating properly can prevent you to have loss of memory when you are older. Why? It's because the hippocampus has for main functions memory and intelligence or cognitive function. When you are eating and you masticate properly, it will be better communication between your stomach and your brain. And also, like I said, studies have proven people who have problem with teeth, that means teeth loss, like people who have 20 teeth or less, have more possibilities to suffer memory loss like Alzheimer. Do you know also promoting proper mastication or proper chewing could be one of the best way to prevent constipation? Because when you take time, you masticate slowly, you will feel full and you will feel better and you will have less possibility for constipation and better elimination. When you go to the bathroom, it will be 1, 2, 3. There is not the only benefits of good or proper chewing or mastication. When you are masticating properly, you can also decrease the possibility for gaining weight. You can lose weight when you masticate properly. I remember very well when I was growing up, my parents used to tell us no one can get out of the table before everyone finished to eat. I didn't like it, but with time I realized it was one of the best way for them to promote proper mastication. That by doing so, it was good promote it was good to promote healthy life. But also, when kids start to masticate at very young age, they do it properly. But guess what? When they start going to school with pressure, not to be late, they don't have time to masticate properly. They just swallow their food. If you have kids and you used to do that, it would be great if you can try your best not to do it, because it's not good for their health. People have the tendency to go fast because of the lifestyle, because of the pressure we have today in our society. But if you don't have time to chew or to masticate properly your food, it will be better to use puree or soup. Because if you don't, that can give you some abdominal pain, abdominal discomfort, constipation, etc. When people are eating, they masticate properly, guess what? They don't even have to think about some digestive disorders, because the possibility will be almost zero. If you are eating and not chewing properly, you have better possibility with age to suffer memory loss, Alzheimer, etc. But before I go, I would like to mention the name of Horace Fletcher, called the Great Masticator, because he said, nature will punish, will castigate whoever don't masticate their food. You know why? And what he was trying to do? He was trying to motivate people to take time to chew their food for a better life. This is somehow to promote healthy life. It's going to be all for today, and until next week for another subject.